Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install fresh animations in Minecraft. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now go ahead and type in fresh animations Minecraft. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead and click this one, which is from CurseForge. Okay, wait for it. Now go ahead and click on files. Now go ahead and download the latest version. For example, right here we have 1.21.8. Click on three dots, hit on download file. Okay, wait for download pop-up. Right here, I'm just going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Hit on save. Once done, go back, go to description right here, scroll down. All right, now click on entity model features. Click on it, continue. Now in here, just go to versions. And again, 1.21.8, which is right here. The publish date is here as well. Just click on download. Download page. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Now go back. Again, go back. Back. Now go ahead and click on entity texture features. Do the same. Let's go ahead and download it under versions. 1.21.8, download. Desktop. So once that's done, let's go ahead and open up a new tab right here and download the mod loader. Okay, so just type in fabric Minecraft, hit on enter, click on the first search result, click on download right here, and download for Windows. Okay, save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. As you can see here, I already have it. I'm not going to do it again, but for you, just click on save. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you can now go ahead and click on Fabric API, go to files. And again, 1.21.8, right? So right here, click on three dots, hit on download file. Save it wherever you want as well, like so. Now, once that's done, you can now go ahead and close the browser right here. Okay, and here we have these files. So double click on Fabric right here. First up, okay. So you might remember 1.21.8 right here. Okay. Click on it and just hit on install. Wait for the process to finish and hit on OK. Now close this one. Now let's go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. Okay, wait for it. Now once you're in here, go ahead and open up a Java Minecraft edition. Now go ahead and click on installations. Now again, 1.21.8 fabric loader. Just hover your mouse onto it. Now click on folder icon. Okay, click on it. Now go and find the mods folder. Double click on it. If you can't find mods folder, just go and create one. Okay. Double click on it. Now, as you might remember, we have downloaded a ton of things. So just move this one away, the RAR file or the zip file. Move everything right here to this folder. Okay. As you can see, I already downloaded this one, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. Now, once done, close this one. Again, go back to the installation section. Hit on play. As you can see here, we have this RAR file. I'm going to make use of it later while we are in game. Okay, just wait for the game to open. Now, as you can see here, it's opened. Let's just go ahead and click on options. Now click on resource packs. Okay, in here, just go ahead and click on open pack folder. Right, as you can see here, we now have the resource pack folder open. So what we're going to do here is just move this RAR file onto the folder. Okay, once that's done, just close this one. As you can see here, we now have this fresh animation mod available. Okay, all you need to do is just click on play right here. So make sure that it is selected. Okay, with the move arrow key. And once done, just click on the done button. As you can see here, the game will reload. And after that, you can just hit on the done button right here again and open up a world. Okay, that is it. That's how you install fresh animations in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.